Welcome to InfoBridge India. Today, we're going to see how to set up a complete company management system from the very beginning. Our company owner is already logged in, so let's get started by setting up the company. Here, I've already entered the company name, selected the UAE as the country, and filled in the basic business details. You can also add your company logo here. It's optional, but adding a logo will make your invoices and other printed documents look more professional. Before we save the company profile, we need to set up our security key. You can see another security option at the top. That's mainly for recovering your key if you ever forget it. I'll explain that separately later. For now, let's create our security key. I'm going to set my own key here. And then we can save the company profile. Now that our company profile is ready, let's move to the next step. The company owner goes to administration and from here opens users and members. This is where the owner can start building the company team and appoint people for different roles and responsibilities. For this example, I'm going to appoint 3 members, one admin, one HR manager, and one operations manager. Let's add them one by one using their email addresses and assign the appropriate position for each person. Once the appointments are created, you can see all 3 members listed here. If you look at the status, it currently shows pending. This is because these members have been appointed by the company owner, but they haven't logged into InfoBridge India yet. Now the next step is very simple. Each appointed member needs to go to infobridgeindia.online and log in using the same email address that the company owner used while appointing them. The system will recognize that email address and automatically connect the person to this company. Once they log in, they will join the company with the position and access that has already been assigned to them by the owner. So there is no need for the owner to share their own account or login details with anyone. Every manager or team member can use their own account, while the company owner remains in control of who can access the company and what role they have. For now, we've appointed our admin, HR manager, and operations manager. Next, let's see what happens when one of these appointed members logs in. Now, our admin manager receives an email to confirm the appointment and logs into InfoBridge India using the same email address. Once logged in, you can see that the same company profile created by the owner is automatically available to the admin manager. Since the owner appointed this person as an admin manager, the system gives them the appropriate administration access. Now let's go back to users and members. Earlier, this member's status was showing as pending. But now that the admin manager has logged in and joined the company, the status has automatically changed to active. If we open permissions and roles, we can also see exactly what access has been assigned to this admin manager. From here, the admin manager can manage the permissions and access given to other company members. So, going forward, if any employee or manager needs additional access to a particular part of the system, that access can be managed through the admin manager. This gives the company a clear structure. The owner remains in control of the company, while the admin manager can handle day-to-day user access and permissions. Now let's see how role-based access works. Our admin manager is already logged in. Let's try to open the HR and payroll section. As you can see, access is denied. That's because this account has been assigned as an admin manager and does not have permission to access HR and payroll. Now, let's log out and see what happens when our HR manager logs in. The HR manager receives the confirmation email and logs in using the registered email address. And once again, you can see the same company profile that was originally created by the company owner. Now let's test the permissions. First, the HR manager tries to access the administration section. As you can see, access is denied because this user does not have administration permission. Now let's open HR and payroll. Yes, the HR manager can access it. This is how InfoBridge India helps you create a structured workflow for your company. You can assign different responsibilities to different people and control exactly which parts of the system they can access. For example, your finance team can handle finance and accounting. Your banking team can manage banking. Your sales team can work with sales and CRM. Your HR team can manage employees and payroll. And other departments can use the modules assigned to them. Instead of giving everyone access to everything, Each person can log in with their own account and work only within the areas relevant to their role. For an early stage or growing business, this can be extremely useful because you can start building a proper company structure and workflow from the beginning. You can set up your company, add your team, assign roles and permissions, and manage different business operations through one connected platform. And the best part is that you can start using InfoBridge India completely free. So, if you're looking for a simple and useful way to organize your business and manage your team systematically, give InfoBridge India a try. Visit infobridgeindia.online and start setting up your company today. Thank you for watching.